How to view and read documents of different file formats. We will guide you through the step-by-step process of viewing and reading documents in different file formats using the SysTools free document viewer. To install the free document viewer, download it from the link in the video description. Let's take a look at the key features of this document reader tool. Supports 40+ formats. Users can open and view over 40 types of document files with one tool. Offline use. This document reader tool works without needing an internet connection. Handles password-protected files. This document viewer can open encrypted or password-protected documents. Cross-platform. Our tool is available for both Windows and Mac OS, so you can use it on either system. After installing the free document viewer, simply launch it. This is the interface of the SysTools free document viewer. This tool provides users with two options to view and read documents. The Add Files option allows you to select single or multiple files. Click on the Add Files option. Our document viewing software supports over 40 file formats and allows users to view and read them all together. The Add Folder option lets you select an entire folder at once. Click on the Add Folder option and select the folder containing documents of different file formats, and click on Select Folder. This document viewer also allows you to view password-protected files. The Remove button will delete selected unwanted files or folders. The Remove All button will delete all unwanted files or folders. Click the Next button to proceed. A pop-up will appear on the screen indicating that the user needs to enter a password to view password-protected files, or can skip those files. Users can view and read document files by clicking on individual files. This document viewer also has an advanced version. If you want to export documents to PDF, click the Upgrade button to purchase the advanced version. A pop-up will appear on the screen notifying users about this. That's all for this video.
Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.